Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Thank You Studio. It is related to Excel tips and tricks. Today we will understand how we can align these objects. These are three shapes to align with the grid. So it's very simple. Just press the Alt button and it will align accordingly. This will go with the grid. We want to align it. Let's align. Make it grid sensitive. Stick it to the grid. See, it's so simple. Now, the second issue is these are not proportionate. The sizes are different. So, how can I make them of the same size? Just press the shift and then select all the boxes together. You see here shape format. Click on that. You will find the size here. If you want to do a lot of work with the shapes, you can have a complete option here with the percentage, rotation, width, size. What is our object? We want to make it the exact size. So let's make it 0, 1. Now 0 0.6 is the height and 1.1 is the width. See how simple it is. You want to move it accordingly together all, just select them, press the shift and select. You can move them anywhere together. You want to resize them, you can resize them now, whatever the size you want. This looks nice. Let's stop it here. Thank you very much. Keep on sharing and liking. Take care. Bye bye.